Villapinzón is out in Cundinamarca, Colombia, and it is famous for growing the best potato in the region. It is located very close to Bogota and it has a real authentic rural atmosphere. The town center is so charming that you will immediately feel relaxed. The Hyundai market is extremely lively and full of life. You can definitely see why people say it is such a traditional place where agriculture and local culture mix perfectly every day. If you visit Villapinzón, you will love the Sunday market because you will be able to try fresh potatoes and locate a trout. You will also enjoy walking to La Princesa Tourist Center, where you will see the famous Mano de la Princesa sculpture. In the future, the town is going to keep developing more eco-tourism activities. You are going to take amazing photos, you will meet very friends, vendors, and you will definitely want to come back and get to experience the two Pecaus lifestyles. I went to Villapinzón last Sunday to buy fruit in the place. I was choosing orange when I heard music because and that contest was happening and girl was dancing and they suddenly pushed me to join. I was really embarrassed at first but I was laughing and having so much fun. In the end, I won Prince a complete sport outfit. That morning showed me how welcoming and fun the people was real are.